Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface and your materials so the lacquer bonds correctly. First, clean away oils and dust. Lacquer won't adhere to contaminants. Next, sand with 220 grit to create bite, then wipe with a tack cloth. Prepare the lacquer. Thin 5–10% for most sprayers so atomization is consistent, otherwise follow manufacturer ratios. Once done, set up a well-ventilated area and test spray on scrap to confirm pattern and flow, because that avoids runs and uneven coverage later. You now apply the middle coats that build film and smoothness. Use wet, even passes, overlapping about 50% and holding 6–10 inches from the surface to avoid orange peel. After each pass, wait 10–20 minutes, just enough for tack but not full cure, so the next coat melts in and levels. For durability, sand lightly with 300–400 grit between significant builds to promote adhesion, then remove dust thoroughly. Make sure to monitor humidity and temperature. Lacquer reacts to both, so you finish by leveling and polishing the lacquer to a durable shine. Let the final coat flash for 24–72 hours depending on climate, then wet sand with 1000–2000 grit to remove dust nibs and orange peel. Follow with a fine polishing compound. Once polished, allow additional curing before heavy use so hardness develops. If problems occur, runs, sags, fish eyes, sand the affected area smooth, clean with solvent, and reapply thin coats. This corrects defects while preserving the surrounding finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.